let's go for a walk.
Let's make art together with Miss Mullins today.
So I don't know about you guys, but I've been stir crazy staying in the house all day long and looking at screens all day long. I'm starting to get headaches. So my suggestion today is to get out and go for a walk. If you can't go to a local park, just go to your backyard. It really does not have to be too far. We're gonna take a walk and I'm gonna see what art I can make in nature today. So I think I found my spot. I'm finding a lot of flowers, and I'm thinking what I might do is make a flower weaving. So let's see how we're gonna do this. So I just finished my weaving, and I've got to say it was a pretty nice mental break from being in the house. I got to get in the sunshine and I got to put my focus on something other than a screen. So it was really nice being out in nature, hearing all the nature sounds, and then getting to make some art. So I hope you were able to make some art today too.